How to fix the missing Instagram Messenger icon. Hi guys, in this video, I am going to teach you on how to fix the missing Instagram Messenger icon in a quick and very easy way. Also follow me for more other tutorials like this. Without further ado, let's get started. If you're having this kind of problem, this will help you to solve it. The first thing you need to do is to check your Instagram application if it is updated. If the app is not yet updated, you will need to update it first. This is a very important step because for you to be able to use the new features on Instagram, you will be needing the updated version of the application. If the Instagram Messenger icon is still not showing after updating the app, try the cleaning Instagram app data. Corrupt data may accumulate over time, causing several application problems. So it is advised to clear data of the app to fix the problem. And now what we are going to do is to go to settings and click the search button and search app. And then also search the Instagram. And just simply click on it and scroll down to the bottom and you will see the storage. Click on it. After that, you can see that we have two options. First, the clear data and the clear cache. Click on clear data. After clearing the data, go back to your Instagram application. And now, you will see the Instagram Messenger icon on the top right corner of your screen. That's it for today's video tutorial. I hope that I was able to help you out with your application problem. Don't forget to follow me for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much and have a nice day.